The Zimbabwe Public Police confirms a comprehensive operation which has been conducted starting in Harare, dubbed No to Unroadworthy Vehicles, since the 23rd of September 2025 up to the 27th of September 2025. And during this massive operation, in Harare alone, 186 unroadworthy vehicles have been impounded. And sadly, you realize that most of these are public service vehicles where the windows are broken. Some of them are fitted with cardboard boxes, some of them with plastic papers. You also have vehicles tied with wires, yet they are carrying passengers. And it is also a puzzle to realize that some of these vehicles, they are labeled that they belong to certain associations. Then you tend to wonder, how are they operating under those so-called associations? And we are also concerned that these vehicles are carrying passengers, yet the lives of passengers are at stake. So it's a wake-up call to the operators, and they want to reiterate that there is no going back in the fight against lawlessness, in the fight against the passenger safety, especially on the country's roads. So we have here in Milton Park 60 vehicles, as seen. In Hatfield we have got 18. In St. Mary's, at St. Mary's we have got 49. Southerton, we also have vehicles there. Harare Central, Braeside, meaning to say this is an operation which has covered almost every corner of Harare. So this is a warning to the public service vehicle operators. This is a warning to those who are engaged into shika or pirate taxis. No one should cry foul because we are protecting the traveling Zimbabweans. So we want cooperation from the public, we want cooperation from the transporters and the so-called associations. Thank you.